I can't wait to get to the S'mores Crunch cereal. I think we're being watched. Oh, no! Where's the sorcerer?
On the prowl, pals?
We're hungry for S'mores Crunch, but so is he.
Then it's a perfect time to wave my wand for swirls of chocolatey grahams and marshmallows galore.
It's S'mores Crunch.
An enchanted part of this nutritious breakfast.
Can I have s'mores?
Sure, S'mores Crunch cereal. It's s'mores fun for breakfast.